Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Chinese style tomato beef soup. This soup is quite healthy and extremely tasty. Hope you will like it too. So now let's start. We first need to prepare a piece of beef and cut it. Sirloin is preferable here. Prepare the pan and boil some water. Put the beef into the pan while the water is still cold. Cut some ginger and add half of it into the pan. Add 2 spoons of cooking wine. Cooking wine can help to make the beef smell better. Now we need to wait until it boils. So in the meantime, we can prepare the vegetables. We need to prepare 4 tomatoes. Cut them like this. Add some hot water. Then peel them. Cut into cubes. We also need some green onions and a carrot. Now it is boiling. We can take the beef out from the pan. Prepare a pot and add some cooking oil. Put the beef into it. Add 2 spoons of soy sauce, 1 spoon of dark soy sauce, some soy paste, half teaspoon of salt. Now add the green onions, the rest of the ginger, and half of the tomatoes we prepared just now. Add some water. Mix well. Cover it and use a small fire to cook for 1 hour. After 1 hour, we can add the carrot and the rest of the tomatoes in. Cover it and cook for another half an hour. After half an hour, chop some scallions and add onto the top. Now it is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.